Bim, guess what? We're going to actually review some fish fingers, but this time they are actually bird's eye fish fingers. And you're like, well, what are you reviewing bird's eye fish fingers for? Because we've eaten bird's eye fish fingers forever. And you're right, you probably have. Well, you probably haven't. I mean, you don't just eat bird's eye fish fingers. But these are not normal bird's eye fish fingers. Hell no, these are chunky fish fingers. These are gigantic fish fingers. These are fish fingers that make fish fingers look like fish fingers. Look at the size of them. Look at the size of them. They are huge and they are square. But are they any good? One way to find out. Served it with peas and chips as well, because that's what it shows. Well, it doesn't show the chips because chips are fatty, but it does show the peas. So straight in there. Now, if you're of a certain age, remember when bird's eye fish fingers used to say there was no black bits in them. But we're not allowed to be that fussy anymore now, so there may be black bits in them. Having said that, I can't see any black bits in this bit. It's hot as well. So, with peas and chips as well, French fries. You know what? They're actually better than fish fingers, because you can taste the fish. Ooh. Bird's eye, chunky fish fingers, extra large, chunky. Gonna give them 4 stars. They're really, really good. I imagine they'd be brilliant on a sandwich. Crikey, thicker than the bread. You get the fish as well, so brilliant. Well done, bird's eye. All fish fingers should be like this. So from now on, only buy chunky fish fingers. Anyway, till next time, I'll be seeing you.